You have the data: revenue, occupancy, arrears, compliance, maintenance, it's all there. But data on its own doesn't tell you what to do next. Finance Magnifier's AI Insight Dashboard analyzes your entire portfolio and turns your numbers into decisions. The Portfolio Optimization report scores the overall health of your portfolio, identifies your strongest assets, flags your highest risks, and tells you exactly where to focus your attention. Void and Arrears Prediction surfaces which units are at risk of going empty and which tenants show early signs of payment trouble before you're dealing with the problem. Maintenance Cost Prediction forecasts where your repair spend is heading, so you can budget with confidence rather than react to surprises. And the narrative report pulls it all together into a professional written analysis of your portfolio's performance, ready to export and share. Five AI-powered reports, one dashboard, all available exclusively on the Magnification plan. Finance Magnifier, financial intelligence that works as hard as you do.